To pin and unpin any apps in Taskbar, you can just open any app. Once the app opened, right-click on the app icon in your Taskbar and click on Pin to Taskbar. The specific app will pin in your Taskbar. You can also use the search icon to find out a specific app that you want to pin. Now, right-click on the app and click on Pin to Taskbar. And the specific app will pin in your Taskbar just like this. And to unpin any app, right-click any pin app in your Taskbar and just click on Unpin from Taskbar. And that's how you will be able to unpin any app in your Taskbar. And now let's see how to hide or unhide any buttons in our Taskbar. So all you have to need, right-click on your Taskbar blank space and click on Taskbar settings. In Taskbar settings, here under Taskbar items, you'll find all available buttons. You can enable or disable any buttons from here just like this. You can also customize this search box. From here you can select search icon only. You can select search icon and label. You can select search box, or you can completely hide the search option from here. Now let's see how to change your Taskbar behavior. Right click on your Taskbar and open Taskbar settings. In here, click on Taskbar behaviors. And now click this Taskbar alignment, and from here you can select left alignment or you can select center alignment. And here we can see automatically hide the Taskbar. If you turn on this option, your Taskbar will always hide. When you hover over on your Taskbar, then your Taskbar will visible automatically just like this. And you can also enable or disable show badges on Taskbar apps just like this, as you can see. You can enable or disable flashing on your Taskbar icon from here. You can enable share any window from a Taskbar. You can enable or disable select the far corner of the Taskbar to show the desktop option. You can also enable or disable show seconds in system 3 clock uses more power option from here. And now let's see how to change your Taskbar color or background color. You just go to your computer settings app and go to personalization section. In here, go to colors. In here, scroll down and you find this option here, show accent color on start and Taskbar. So first of all, enable this option. And now scroll up, come to this accent color section. From here, you will be able to easily change your Taskbar background color just like this. So that's how we can actually customize our Taskbar. Thanks for watching.